Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The phrasal verb get on has several meanings. Get on, to board a vehicle or transportation. Get on the bus, we are leaving. Get on the plane, we are departing soon. To have a good relationship with someone. I get on well with my colleagues. I don't get on with my neighbor, we argue often. To wear or put on clothing. Get on your coat, it's cold outside. Get on your shoes, we are going outside. To progress or make progress. How's your project getting on? The construction project is getting on schedule. To annoy or irritate someone. Your constant whistling is getting on my nerves. Your snoring is getting on my nerves. Please stop. To age or grow older. She has been getting on in years but is still energetic.